My name is Franklin, and welcome to Physical Health Student Association. Welcome to the tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to plan a course and how to generate your bill so that you can what you're paying. Um, Very easy. So you first go to your browser. You go to your browser. Okay. When you go to your browser, we're not instantly here. So you will usually be somewhere here in this section, right? So if you want to go to where we just came from, you just uh, type in browser ulportal.net. Is it right? So ulportal.net will take you here, and there you see lists of different websites. But UL website, you see ulportal.net. You see school management portal, University of Liberia, and it's powered by or developed by Montana, right? So once we click this, it will bring us here where we can log in our ID and our email. So as for me, my ID is 85500. Now that's my ID. My password, I am going to pause this and type in my password. Okay, so my password is in, and now I log in after I place my email and my password. So when your password is correctly in, it brings you to the page. If this is your first time, you wouldn't see anything here where you see two stubs. The shaded stubs are for your courses and everything. The active section, nothing will be in the active section, right? Which means you haven't planned anything yet. And then they'll tell you you see two buttons on your lower right, that's register courses and check grades. So click register courses because we want to plan, right? So here, as you can see, if you click register courses, it will bring you here. If that's your first time, you wouldn't see anything here, right? So on the upper right, we click the add new button, and the add new button will bring us here where you see plan courses or details, right? So I've already planned my courses. That's why you see all these courses here. But for example, if you don't have or you haven't planned anything yet, so let's go to the physical education department. You want to go to the physical education department, you click a Liberia college because the physical education department has a space, so we will use that for the tutorial today. So you go to Liberia college, physical education department curriculum, physical education curriculum, course level. So basically course level freshman, right? Public health freshman. So we choose. So I've already registered physical education, as you can see soccer here, but I just want to, just for this tutorial, that's what we're going to do. So you see this 123 here for female kickball. So let's say you haven't planned a course. On the course that you want to plan, you see here what is on the left is the maximum number that's supposed the number that's on the left is the maximum number that's supposed to be in the class. The number that's on the right is the number that has already planned the course, right? So you see 50 over 37, which means 50 persons supposed to be in a class, and then 37 persons have already planned it. So for example, you want to add that class, you want to sit in the class, you select it. If that's the class you want, you add section, it loads, and it tells you that the record is successfully saved. You say okay. Now the course you add, you see this, you see as you see that it will have created on it, which means that you have already, you know, chosen a course that you want to sit in. It's created, but it's not really approved. So once you plan a course and it's not approved, even though you did everything in the class, but the instructor, you now have a final grade given to you, right? Because it's not approved, which means you just, plan it, but you didn't really submit it, right? Like you wrote something, but then you did not submit it. Okay. So, for example, you want to go to public health, so go to TJR College of Science and Technology, and then we take public health department, we take public health curriculum, and then we take uh, this is the course level, that's freshman loads, and then we take for example, what public health courses you want for freshmen or for any other course, right? So these are freshman courses 101, 111. 207 is not a freshman course. So for example, if you want to get sophomore, you choose sophomore. You want to get junior, you choose junior. You want to get the rest, you choose like senior. Yeah. And then after that, you add the same way, add new. But since we added this, it's not something that I want. So I click done, and as you can see, it showed me everything that I planned and everything that is approved. But I don't want this kickball, right? So I already have sport or soccer for male. So I'm removing the kickball. Come right here and remove it. It said, "Are you sure you want to remove this section?" I say, "Okay," and it's gone. So if you've planned now to generate the bill, you go to the upper left hand corner. You see generate bill. You click on it, generate bill, and then it takes you here where you see the list of courses that you've planned and the itemization, right? This is the tuition, $2,250. The percentage of tuition to be paid, itemized bill, and these are the accounts: EcoBank, GT Bank, UBA, Orange Money, Mobile Money, and PayPal, right? So that's that. You can use mobile money to plan courses, and once you're done with it, you're done. You just log out, and you've done planning your courses and done generating your bill. So I hope this tutorial helps you a lot. Check out our YouTube channel, like and share for more tutorial, academics, and other things that you need.